guys, welcome back.
Have you ever been to the produce section of a grocery store and seen something strange or interesting and not known what it was or what it tasted like?
Well, today we're gonna be trying those things. We don't know what we'll be trying, but we're gonna try them and let you know how they are.
Produce number one. Ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh!
They're fingerling grapes.
They taste just like red Sulos grapes, but a little more tart.
They're cute though.
They're kind of like raisiny.
So they look almost like
chili peppers.
Purple hot peppers, yeah.
Yeah, they do.
You know, these would be good for like a cheese board spread when you kind of want to do something like a little fancy and impress people. And then people go, what are they? And you say, try one.
Number two.
Ready?
Let's do it. I'm gonna...
You gonna open it?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
These like kiwis?
They look like enormous kiwis, but it's not fuzzy the way that a kiwi is. Oh, it's got like a nice, it is a golden kiwi?
I'm so confused.
It's really, you didn't like it?
No, it was just your noise. It's kind of custardy.
It's less tart than a kiwi is. It's definitely a lot sweeter, but it has a little bit of that kiwi
creaminess.
What would you do with these, Jamie?
You could put them in a fruit salad. I think they'd make a mean martini. I think they'd be great in any kind of dessert.
I think I would do a fruit salad with them, or even just like slice them up and put them on a cracker. Oh!
Dragon fruit.
Yeah. I used to live in Brooklyn's Chinatown, and the little store around the corner would have these, and I would just like go and grab one after work and pick it up and bring it home and eat it, and it is one of my favorite foods. You can just slice it right in half.
Oh, it's so pretty on the inside.
Look at that.
It's like a Dalmatian. Are they in season? Do they have seasons?
I don't really know. I'd say maybe they're not quite in season. They're not as like super sweet as they can get. This also reminds me a little bit of a kiwi, only a lot milder. It's not, it's even less tart than the giant kiwi, the golden kiwi.
I think these are stunning. I mean, and they're such a surprise when you open them, but the taste is like meh. Like for such a bold outside, it's kind of boring on the inside to me. What's in here? It's like a present.
Oh.
Are they potatoes?
They look like little
feel them.
squash.
They feel like plums. Kind of hard to cut. There we go.
Huh.
Whoa.
It smells like banana.
Oh my God, what?
Right?
It smells like banana. They're so juicy, like.
It tastes like a melon.
There's a lot of liquid here.
It's, again, like really mild. This is, I feel like we've gone on from less mild to incredibly mild. I'm getting a note from our producer. I just found out it's a pepino melon. You are making a big mess.
It's just really juicy. I just look over and you have like no problem.
So it smells like bananas. It tastes like melon. Like it tastes almost like a really watery cantaloupe.
And one half is apparently.
No, I mean mine was pretty juicy.
Where? How do you tell?
You okay there?
Yeah, I just like look over and yours like totally clean.
Welcome to Cooking Late's Jamie's first experiment with eating fruit. Here we go. This is the biggest, weirdest one, maybe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is an alien from the planet Smurf. I don't know.
Is this a prickly pear?
Oh, no, maybe. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Whoa! This is crazy looking.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like a pomegranate. Like it has all those like little segments. You know what? If you like kind of scrape along like this, you can kind of get some of the seeds out.
It's very, very
It's tart.
tart.
Yeah.
Wow. We used to have a song when I was little. It was like watermelon. How it drips, up and down the elbows, up and in the elbows, spit out the pits.
It doesn't work as well as with watermelon. This is the one that you get with a bunch of your friends and you go out back and you just enjoy the heck out of it. Because this is actually really good and fun, but it's messy as all get out. And I would totally love to invite a bunch of people over and watch them try to eat this.
What I would do is get a mango, hollow it out, and then put lime jello inside, because it's the exact same thing, except you have to eat around like all these.
This is called a kiwano.
A what?
Kiwano.
There's like sacks around the seeds, so like you can't just like, oh, let me pick the seeds out. The seeds are stuck in like this gelatinous.
Yeah, it's like a pomegranate.
This, I think I've gotten maybe a teaspoon of fruit out of this thing. I'm really struggling with this.
So Jamie, what was your favorite fruit?
I liked the pepino melon, aka the banana plum cucumber melon. I like how it surprises your senses.
Mine was the golden kiwi. It was like a delight to eat something that was sort of familiar but had this very unusual and different taste. All right, well that's it for this week. Thank you again for watching another Cooking Light taste test.
So if you're watching on Facebook right now, comment below and tell us your favorite fruit, whether it's exotic or something you can find all year round.
And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and we'll give you an alert whenever a new video comes out. Thanks again.
Bye.